8 divided by 4 divided by 4 and again divided by 4. How can we solve it? We'll see it. When we divide 8 by 4, this comes 8 divided by 4, 2, and this comes 4 divided by 4, 1. And this comes 2 divided by 1. This is equal to 2. But this is wrong. We'll see how can we correct it. We see the rule of PEMDAS. The famous rule of mathematics. E is for parentheses. There are no parentheses in this question. And this is for exponents, and there are no exponents in this question. Then is division. All the things are division here. And other important rule of PEMDAS is we have to solve from left to right. Anyway, you operate from left to right, we will see 8 divided by 4 comes 8 by 4 divided by 4 and then divided by 4. And this comes 8 divided by 4, 2 and divided by 4 and then divided by 4. And this comes 2 divided by 4, 2 over 4 and divided by this 4. This becomes 2 divided by 4, 1 over 2 and divided by 4. And this will come 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. And this is equal to 1 over 8, which is the correct answer. Please subscribe the channel so you can see some more videos like this.